I came to Portland from Thailand and I was drawn to the friendly people and maker culture. You can do anything in Portland. Portland is known for its food culture. We have every type of food from high-end dining to street food. While you are here in Portland, you have to try the food from the food carts. There are 600 to choose from. This one is actually mine and I make Thai chicken and rice. If you are downtown, make sure to stop by the Forest Park for a hike and a great view of the city. Forest Park is a hidden oasis right in the heart of downtown. It's so much fun to explore the shops here. And there's no sales tax. Any style is in style in Portland as long as you make it your own. Welcome to Portland. You're gonna love it here.